Here he is, guys. Completely stripped down. I couldn't get the hinges off, but we got to change these A-pillars anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and just let the body shop take care of those. I'll get new ones. He's completely stripped down. Let's go ahead and do a poke test and see what kind of body panels we need. I'll bring you right back as soon as I find my poker. I'm going to go ahead and start you back here in the back. Let me go ahead and turn the light on. Not available and ultra wide. Okay, well, we'll go do and go to light here. So, I got a spot here. We got all the spots in here. So it's going to pretty much need a hole. This is pretty good. I do have a hole back here. Nothing in these corners, but I do have like right in here. So I'm gonna pretty much need a whole new boot floor. Rear valance. It's got a hole right here, so it's gonna need a new valance. This is really good shape. No problems with that. The windows are in incredible shape. If you look here, all these windows are in real good shape. This wing here is not bad. No, that's all in good shape there. Closing panels in good shape, but I'll probably go ahead and buy new closing panels just to have, just because we're replacing this mess anyway. I do have a rough spot right here on this back. I don't know what you call that. Whatever this panel is here. I think that's the only spot there. That's a shame too, because I thought that was in good shape. Get you back over here. Yeah, we're going to have this rear pocket changed out. The bottom of the pocket's in real good shape. This had to be replaced. Sorry for moving you so quick. Bottom of the seat's in good shape. Now I do know you get that with the boot floor, so I got the watch kitty up here. So A-pillars didn't need to have to be replaced. It's got rod in it. That's a need to have to be replaced. And I don't know if we could get a repair panel for that or not. I'll have to ask the body shop, because that's the only section in this whole door frame. And I hate to have to buy the whole door frame to just repair that. So I'm thinking we could put a section in there. Wing's all rotted out here, so I'm gonna have to probably get a wing for it. Underneath this wing, the inner wing is in real good shape. It's actually in real good shape, with the exception of that little bracket right here. And then up here, there's a little spot up in here which ends up escaping up into here. But that could be a repair panel. The closing panel up here is in real good shape. I got a little spot right there that's in the inner wing. So if you see that right there, there's a little spot right there in that inner wing. I think you can just buy this part here to repair. I'll have to look. But all the rest of the wing looks real good. You know, this is a hydroelastic car, so these don't even get used. But all the rest of the interior of the wing looks really, really good. Let's move you to the front of the car. The scuttle, I thought the scuttle was in good shape, but unfortunately there's a little spot right there. I don't know, it's not real bad, so I don't know. Yeah, unfortunately it's not real bad right there, so I don't know if that's something that can be repaired or not. Yeah, the scuttle's got to come out. The firewall or the slam panel's actually in real good shape. There ain't nothing really needed for the slam panel. Yeah, I mean, it's in real good shape. And all this is in real good shape. Like I said, inner wing's real good shape. This wing here is in real good shape. The lower kick panel. The lower kick panel and the thing's in real good shape. There is some surface rust on it, but not bad. As far as the front goes, the front is in decent shape, but it is going to need to be replaced because I do have some. Well, that's just surface right there, so that could be repaired. But I do believe I got some rot. I think I got some rot right there. Then again, that might be surface too. Yeah, I might be able to get away without having to replace that, because that's not in bad shape. And this stuff up here, this wing here is in better shape than the other side. If you look here, it don't have no, but it does have this, which could possibly be a problem. Okay, so the inner wing down here is real good shape, as they said before. I don't think. Yeah, up in here. Oh yeah, so it's got a little bit of rust repair that needs to be done up in there. If you can see it, I can't tell if I can get you up in there now. Hold on a minute. Can you see it right in there? Yeah. Again, closing panel's not bad. Needs a bracket there. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and replace this wing as well. Yeah, so this is gonna need an outer seal too, so I might as well. Yeah, this one's gonna need an outer seal too, unfortunately. The inner seals look really good. Which I'm assuming, and somebody can tell me, I think this is what they consider the inner seal, because I don't think there's anything on the other side of this. No, there's not. So it goes right to the metal. The door's real good. A-pillar. A-pillar on this side's not bad, so we may not be having to get away with the A-pillar on this side. I may go ahead and buy it just in case. The inside dash is in real good shape. It's real good shape. There ain't no rust at all in that. Again, floors that need to be replaced back here. Back floors are almost perfect. That's just surface rust, so that could be cleaned up. Down in this one, I think this one's in real good shape. The dust flying here. Let's see if I can get you focused real quick. Just trying to focus on some dust balls. There you go. So, yeah, down here on this side's real good shape. The floor in that's real good shape. So I don't think we're going to have to do much there. I do have some rusty rust here. Yeah, I got some rust right there. Hoping that I can find just the repair panel for that and not the whole side. So that's on the outside right there, yeah. Yeah, so underneath this wing, that closing panel's in good shape. Yeah, this wing's pretty good. I think this wing we can actually just clean up. But that's pretty much what we got. I mean, let's see the pipe that is straight there. What is that? Just a little hanger. Must have broke that off. Yeah, but that's pretty much what we got. Sorry for the piss poor camera work here. Yeah, I got a little dent right here that needs to be repaired. It does have some little minor rust repair right in here that needs to be done. Up on the roof. That's just surface rust, so that's something that could be repaired. Same thing in there. That's all just surfaced right in there. I do got a spot. If I'm take you over here, I do got a spot right here that I'm a little concerned about. No, it looks like that's all just surface also, so that could all be repaired. So the only real bad part is that little dent right there that somebody's tried to repair once before. Other than that, I think she's pretty solid. I got my shop cat here. Yeah, I think she's pretty solid. But yeah, let's back her out here and see what we got. Turn the camera. Yep, there you go. Probably next video is going to be starting to strip that bad boy down. And probably the rear one. And then probably in between videos, I'm going to probably clean up this mess of a garage. But have a good one.